We'll be getting like lunch. And then it's like 50% of the time, like 50-50. I'll be like, oh my God, Dad, that guy's so hot. Did you see him? And he's like, no, I didn't particularly look at the men. I don't usually do. And I'm like, well, do you think he's hot? And he's like, I wasn't thinking about, I was not looking like, and I was like, well, Dad, okay. And he's like, well, all right. And then he's like, well, are you going to say hi? And I'm like, no. And then he's like, okay. And then we just like move on with our day. Or he'll call me like a pervert and then we'll just go on with our day. I noticed a lot of girls do that, stare at a guy for a fraction of a second, and that's their flirting. No. Imagine like the girl's POV. The girl being like, ugh, why doesn't he get it? Why doesn't he get that I want him so bad? Like, what the fuck? Doesn't he know that I want him? And then the guy's POV, he's just like, buh. Just... But did you touch any grass? I actually touched so much grass this year, it disgusted me. Okay. There's not even a sixth one. There's not even a sixth. This is actually disgusting. This like, dude, half of the year of me streaming was me sleeping. My top 10% sleeper, Oshi. How the fuck is this even? I don't know who this guy is, but I'm judging him for not liking the beautiful design of this flavor.
I've also been drinking this one called Kissy Passion, which I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like what.
The best part about having a flavor be called Kissy Passion is making random normies say this name out loud to their audiences. That's my payback. That's the payback you get for not enjoying this gorgeous design created by the GOAT.
What's on it?
I just want to clarify, this is not a roast Numi stream. This is a we love Numi forever and ever and ever stream. We lie a little bit to make her feel better stream. You taught us not to lie. Why are you guys using the things I taught you and throwing it back at my face like that? Like, how dare you? How dare you guys be good people? How fucking dare you?
Hey Numnums, I support you so much and I love what you do, but there is a difference between hope and delusion. Try some realistic goals, like a medical diploma in 1 year, or maybe particle fusion. Wicked.
Crazy. That was crazy. That one was that was crazy. The particle fusion.
You can do it if you really try. I don't believe you will try though.
You're right.
Wonderful name. Big Bob.
The beep, beep.
Well, what happened to your friend?
They truly don't make him like this anymore. I wish they did.
He's been rear-ended.
Is this considered a woke film? Like, are they not making this because it's considered woke? Like, I don't...
There you are.
Ain't Fanny?
Her ass was too woke. They couldn't replicate it in the future. There was just no way. They couldn't. They saw that dumpy and they said it's too woke. We can't have women with dumpies that big in movies.
Well, just make yourself at home.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
My pleasure.
So farting big booty. No wonder you are friends with Bao. I didn't say shit about enjoying somebody that toots. I'm not a toot sniffer. I am just a dumpy enjoyer. I can't with the comments on YouTube. Thanks for informing us, Numi. You remembered about our existence on YouTube. No words, y'all. No fucking words. She remembers us after all. I hate you. You're a fucking Twitch Noomba, you bitch. Why would you say that? Oh my god. Ugh. I hate when you bitches act like I don't know your usernames. Yeah, we could tell everybody to fucking like rot, but I would never tell you to rot. But like, I'll tell everybody else to rot. But I'm not toxic though.
I don't even tell people to rot, Numi, so that's
Oh my
that sounds
God,
pretty toxic to me.
Well, I'm aware of the fact that I'm toxic, but I'm toxic towards the Numas too. But they for some reason laugh at that. They think that's funny. So and they know I don't mean it.
Well, I think canonically you like live in garbage or something. So like, is it your fault you're toxic? Because like the fumes of like all that garbage like go into your head or something. Is it your fault?
Yo, this is crazy.
Isn't that the lore?
No.
Wasn't your last place garbage? You just moved into a better place. Though.
This is crazy.
Wait, can you show me your room again? The new room? Can I look at it?
This is crazy. I make country girls make do. Like I'm just trying to live and alive.
I grew up on a farm and look at it, Numi. Wait, is the world like ending in this one? Because the ceiling is missing at the top. Like the sky is there. Like,
It's a fucking window.
and then the wallpaper's peeling off the walls from like
That's
the mold or
aesthetic.
something,
It's
right?
not, it's aesthetic.
If someone actually lived there, they would probably, no lie, have tuberculosis and die like 5 years from this.
Bro, this is crazy.
No, it's aesthetic. It's
Oh,
really
now
cute.
you say it's aesthetic after just destroying me like that. What the fuck? Do sunflowers explode in the microwave?
I don't know. I've never tried it.
I mean, have you ever seen a sunflower in a microwave? I bet it's explosive
Girl,
too.
I've
What's
seen
cooking?
like 2 sunflowers. Okay. I've seen 2 sunflowers in my life. Probably. One
What?
was not in a microwave.
What about the other one?
Probably outside.
You know what you are though?
Dirt.
Just like a sunflower in the microwave.
What the fuck does that
It
even mean?
means that you're too hot to handle. What's cooking?
Hey, is your dad a boxer?
What?
Is your dad a boxer?
Does my dad like boxing?
Because you're a knockout.
Are you asking if he knocked me out, or are you trying to see if I can take
No,
a punch?
it's just okay. All right.
Do you feel you've leveled up? Do you feel you've gained knowledge and experience?
Are we talking about with you specifically, or every other
Or
one?
just from dating today.
Like
have
overall,
you become a
like
better
an
dater?
average, like making an average between everything? No.
Oh.
I mean, yes.
how could you keep doing the same thing over and over and not get better at it?
You know, that's what Tony Hawk asked me.
Actually?
Yeah, he said, "Why?"
Well, those are a little two different things, but
Yeah, I gotta fake it till I make it. Oh my goodness.
you got this.
Hello.
Oh my god, you came out of nowhere. Oh my god.
What? You called me.
No, I know, but you answered so fast and so loud. Hi.
Oh, shall we? I was ready. I was camping that Discord
I'm
call.
so
Although I was
happy.
struggling to find this password thing that you speak of. Where does one put in a password?
You know, on to join on
What
VT
the fuck was that? Was that my computer?
What?
What the fuck was that?
You have to go to to
There
join
was a
it?
grind. No. Was that my?
What?
Is that my computer? There was like a meat grinder sound. Or like a fart, or I don't know. I'm really looking at your model on my VTS right now. Really blowing it up nice and big.
Oh, I'm
Really
so
get those
glad.
pixels in. Nice ears. I see a little hair clip. Oh, dear God, what the fuck? You have to be doing that, right, Numi? I have your stream muted. I shouldn't be able to hear stream sounds. Was that you? That wasn't me. Was that Rain?
Sorry, I farted.
With the echo. With you naturally fart with reverb.
Great.
My bad.
So, how? These sound alerts are so funny. The Yuzu. Let me get my Yuzu one really quick. Yuzu. We got what we got here?
Get on your knees.
Okay, mommy.
Can you move me down? As if I'm getting on my knees because
Oh,
I can't.
I don't know who that
myself.
was. I don't think I've ever heard of that VTuber before.
Oh, yes, this is good. Thank
Oh,
you.
Tricky's on her knees. Oh, I guess she. Wow, Cinder, can you explain that?
How'd you do that?
I've never heard that before.
How did you do that? You lie.
I don't know.
She,
I don't know what you mean.
Can you do that again?
Yeah, do it. Yeah,
You're
do it.
putting me on the spot
Do
here.
it.
It's fine.
Do it.
You're powerful and you can do it.
Yeah, you do it. Do it.
Get on your knees.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Anything you like. Anything you like. Anything you like.
Anything you want, I'm here. Anything you want, I'm your lab cat. I swear, I'm your lab cat. Meow, 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 meow. Nothing I can do against that. For real, for real.
Hold on.
All right, kitten.
The effort you
Pause
put
the
in
game
is
for
amazing.
Mommy, okay?
Don't worry
Mommy
about the
needs you to
issues.
caramelize these
Your
onions for her,
selflessness
okay?
more than makes up for it.
Okay, kitten. All right, kitten. Pause the game for Mommy, okay? Mommy needs you to caramelize these onions for her, okay?
I'm gonna have a stroke. What does she mean, onion? I don't know. They need to be caramelized.
I don't like onions.
Who eats just caramelized onions?
I love them.
But you can't just pause Valorant, Numi. You can't just pause the online game. Oh no, she doesn't understand. She doesn't understand. But it's Valorant, Numi. It's online. Well, I can't just pause it.
I just saw my life flash before my eyes, dude.